What's the active ingredient in this?
So you want to induce your labor, and you need something that's going to be effective. Well, I have a recipe here for you today that induced not 1, not 2, but 3 of my children safely and easily. I'm going to share with you. It's the MIDWIFE'S brew. 300 milliliters of apricot juice, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 250 milliliters of lemon verbena tea, and 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Step 1, you want to bring to a boil 500 milliliters of water. That's approximately the size of this water bottle. This is for us to make the lemon verbena tea, which is a very important ingredient in this recipe. Lemon verbena tea, you want to use 4 tea bags. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that all 4 tea bags are inside of the water, we're gonna turn off the blaze and we're gonna cover with the lid. Let it sit for a few hours. 1 to 2 hours is great. I like to make it the day before as well to sit overnight to make it even stronger. So while we let the tea sit, listen to this little disclaimer from my daughter, who is my first MIDWIFE'S brew baby.
My mommy is not a medical professional, and I'm not either. This is not medical advice. It's just what my mommy did to induce me, my brother, and my little sister. If you're new here, like, subscribe, and bell the videos. See more.
300 milliliters of apricot juice. Add the lemon verbena tea. Add 2 tablespoons of castor oil. 1, 2. And finally, you add your almond butter. Now it's ready to blend. I just put my Vitamix on smoothies and power it up. We're all set to pour it. Now, when you drink this, make sure that you drink all of it within 20 minutes and try to have it on an empty stomach. Drink it after you have eaten dinner, maybe 2 hours after dinner. And voila, inducing labor. Here, drink this, you'll have a baby. Yeah, you really drank it? Oh my God, it's a MIDWIFE'S brew. Sorry.
I have a baby.
I'm sorry. I didn't think you were gonna drink it for real.
You're kind of aggressively like this.
Oh no! You're gonna go into labor. Oh no.
My lips are tingling. What's the active ingredient in it?
Sorry. So I have a couple of other tips and tricks to help you with labor and delivery. So make sure you check out my labor and delivery playlist right here. And I will see you in the comment section. Bye-bye.